Hello, my name is Joe. They call me JJ. I am the production manager for Kitchen Design Center of Maryland. We're a division of Gramophone. We're here on site at one of our kitchen renovations, and I'd like to just walk through some of the safety protocol that we feel is important and necessary to ensure your safety and ours as we move forward in this time. One of the things that we do make sure we implement is that all of our trade partners that come on site will be wearing masks, booties, and gloves. They will also log in as they enter the building. That way we can keep a trace record of anyone that does come on your property and has anything to do with our job. We keep on site the National Association of Home Builders guidelines for everyone that comes here to give them the opportunity to look at it and gain their own knowledge. Our crews have been trained. We take weekly meetings and we do a one-on-one with one teammate at a time, ensuring that they're familiar with the guidelines, ensuring that they're familiar with the cleaning process included in disinfecting, cleaning and wiping down of the product and their workstation. By offering this, we know that our teammates will be able to express their thoughts and opinions on this time, and it will also give them the ability to get peace of mind. Our goal at Gramophone is to ensure our clients and future clients of our goals to protect them. As we move forward, we want to be the company that you come to for your home renovation, your kitchen build-out, your bath, your theater build-out, with the knowledge that we are here to safely perform the task and give you the quality product that you have envisioned. We at Kitchen Design Center of Maryland hope you choose us for your next kitchen or bath renovation. If you have any interest in our services, please contact one of our design consultants or stop by the showroom in Hunt Valley. Thank you. My name is JJ and I hope to see you soon.